Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 45 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and on other apps. What's more, you can check the unlocks and notifications count. And if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. So you can tap directly on the graph right in the middle of it, and you will be transferred to the dashboard connected with the whole screen time. So you can check that, for example, today I've been using it for 46 minutes, but yesterday I did not at all. Under it, you've got all of the apps listed with particular time which you've spent on it. And after getting back, I can show you the second way. Instead of tapping right in the middle, you can tap on particular app which is listed here. So for example, the settings. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is connected directly to this app. So this is how to check some details. And under it, we've got the ways to disconnect, which can be quite useful. I just want to show you and explain. So we've got the dashboard, the bedtime mode and focus mode. So for example, we can use the focus mode. So if you need the time for yourself, you want to work or rest or whatever, you just want to rest from the social media or your device, then you can select some distracting apps, so those from which you're receiving most notifications. You can mark them, so let's pretend that for me it is Camera, Chrome and the messages. And now we can set the schedule, so we can pick particular days in which those apps, and hours of course, in which those apps will be limited. So you will not receive any notifications after tapping on set, of course, and turning it on now. So I really highly recommend to use those ways to disconnect, whichever one you will pick, because they can be just quite useful. Under it, you've got some options to reduce the interruptions, so you've got notifications and do not disturb mode, and if you want, you can enter the parental controls here. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.